As you can see, been trying to get this paint off. Several layers of spray paint, and there's even a coat of brushed on home paint, home style latex paint. Alright, this is after about 45 minutes of orbital sander at 120 grit. Getting back to more color than primer, but so many layers to work through. I'll see if I can get a little more uniform than that and all the tiger stripes out of it. Alright, got it down to the original coat. See, I went a little too far a few times, but that's okay. It's an old truck, needs to look old. These are little spots of like Rust-Oleum, little metal here and there, but it's turned out a lot better.